Hello, beautiful people. I'm back again with another video, and this week I am going to show you guys how I meal prep for the week. And this week I was doing some veggies and some steak and some chicken, trying to keep it healthy, trying to keep it clean. So before the video start, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment in down below and tell me some of the recipes that you guys like to try when you're meal prepping, if you are meal prepping. So I'm going to start prepping the chicken. I first cut it so that all the spices can get inside. I do like lines. I cut it in lines, small lines on both sides. So these are the spices that I used for this chicken. Yes, I used the chicken spice, black pepper, chili flakes, and Italian herbs. Of course, you guys can use whatever spice you prefer. And what I use to cook the chicken, I use my conventional oven to cook the chicken. I find it that, number one, it's very convenient, not time consuming at all, and number two, I don't have to use like excess oil or anything like that, so it's extra healthy. So I turn it, I think it's 175 degrees for 40 minutes, and I leave it at that. And then the next meat that I'm going to prepare is the steak. And for this one, I used your steak and chops and the chisanyama seasoning. I love chisanyama seasoning on red meat. It's so nice. It brings out the flavor and a hint of chili. It's absolutely nice. Like, if you guys have not tried it, try it when you're braising red meat. I promise you, you would love it. And nextly, what I'm going to prepare my veggies. I usually use like your frozen veggies and I just steam them. Super easy, super healthy. Just put them in a steamer and put it at 20 minutes, steam them for 20 minutes, and you're good to go. And this is how they look like when they are done. And I just put like vegetable spice on top just to give them a flavor. And the chicken is done. Now I'm going to put the red meat at 200 degrees for about 45 minutes, and that is done, and that is the whole meal. So please subscribe if you like this video, and please come back for more videos.